If you don't like surprises but still want the perfect wedding day, then do these must-dos for a stress-free rehearsal. First up, practice that walk. Make sure everyone knows their steps down the aisle. No tripping allowed. Next, rehearse the vows. Trust me, it's easier to say I do without a frog in your throat. Don't forget the ring exchange, slipping on the ring smoothly. Major win, coordinate the timing with your wedding party. When to enter, where to stand, and those all-important cues. Now, make sure the officiant runs through the ceremony script. And don't forget to practice those smiles when walking down the aisle. Make sure if the officiant is a relative to practice moving out of the way for your big kiss. Lastly, practice your grand exit. Tossing confetti or driving off in style, make it memorable. So, grab your crew, have some fun, and get ready to shine. Know your big day. You've got this.